In today's video, I'll show you how to paste a link on an image in Figma so that clicking the image opens a website or destination URL. This is a useful technique for website mockups, app prototypes, landing page designs, clickable banners, portfolios, and interactive presentations. The process is quick, and you don't need any plugins or complicated settings. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Figma file and locate the image you want to make clickable. This can be a photo, a banner, a product image, a logo, or any other visual element on your canvas. Before adding the link, make sure the image is easy to select and that you're working in the correct frame or page. Now, right-click the image. From the menu that appears, select Frame Selection. This step places the image inside its own frame. Creating a frame is important because Figma's prototype interactions work more reliably when the element is contained within a frame. Once you select frame selection, you should see a new frame around the image while keeping the image itself in the same position. Next, look at the panel on the right side of the Figma interface. At the top of this panel, you'll see tabs such as Design, Prototype, and Inspect. Click on the Prototype tab. This is where you can control how your design behaves when someone interacts with it in prototype mode. With the image frame selected, find the Interaction section in the Prototype panel. Click the plus icon next to Interactions. This opens the interaction settings, where you can define what should happen when someone clicks or interacts with the image. Figma will display options for a trigger and an action. Set the trigger to OnClick. This tells Figma that the interaction should happen when the user clicks the image during the prototype preview. Next, set the action to Open Link. This is the option you need when you want the image to send users to an external website or URL. After selecting Open Link, a text box will appear in the interaction settings. Click inside that text box and paste your destination URL. For example, you could paste a website address, a product page, a sign-up page, a social media profile, or any other web link. Make sure the full URL is included, usually beginning with HTTPS, so Figma can open the destination correctly. Once you have pasted the link, click outside the field or press enter if needed to save the interaction. Your image is now connected to the URL. To test it, click the Present button in the upper right corner of Figma. This opens your prototype preview. Navigate to the screen containing the image, then click the image. Figma should open the destination link in a new browser tab or window, depending on your browser settings. If the link does not work, go back to the design file and check a few things. First, confirm that you selected the frame containing the image rather than a different layer. Next, return to the Prototype tab and make sure the trigger is set to OnClick and the action is set to Open Link. Also, check that the URL was pasted correctly and that it does not contain missing characters or extra spaces. It's also important to remember that the link usually works when viewing the design through the prototype presentation, not simply while editing the canvas. In the editor, clicking the image may only select the layer. Use the present or prototype preview mode to test the actual interaction. So, to quickly recap, right-click your image and choose Frame Selection. Switch to the Prototype tab in the top right panel. Click the plus icon next to Interactions. Set the trigger to OnClick, choose Open Link as the action, and paste your destination URL into the text box. Then open the prototype preview and click the image to confirm that the link works. This method is great for creating clickable prototypes without adding visible buttons. You can use it for image cards, advertisements, hero sections, thumbnails, app screens, and interactive design presentations. It also makes it easier for clients and teammates to explore your designs and visit the websites represented in your mockup. If this video helped you paste a link on an image in Figma, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Figma tutorials, prototype tips, and UI design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.